If you truly want to succeed in sublimation, then what you need to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. We'll keep you up to date with everything that there is going on in sublimation, new products and new techniques. Let's see what's next. Producing a skinny tumbler is really very easy. First of all, quality stainless steel skinny tumbler in a gloss white, a spill-proof lid, which you will be thankful for. It also comes with a non-slip disc for the bottom and a stainless steel straw. So you will notice the printout of this transfer, that's A4 size, Permasub paper. I have trimmed it to fit the drink bottle. Now from memory, I think it was about 21 centimetres high and about 24 centimetres around. I'm going to wrap that around and secure it with my heat tape. Turning now to the heat press, switching it on at the side. Now my press is sitting at 89 degrees because I had it on earlier. Pressing the cog button, you'll go through your times and temperature settings. So first of all, set the top to 180 degrees using your plus and minus buttons. Down to your seconds, again using your plus and minus buttons. I've got mine for 90 seconds. And then press the settings button again and it'll start to heat up. We're going to pop the skinny tumbler in. Now I'm going to put that with the tape side down in the heat press, just because that's how I like to do it. Pop it in your press, center it and close it down. That automatically starts counting down from 90 seconds. Once it reaches 90 seconds, it'll beep and we'll open it up again. Okay, open up the press, turn your drink bottle and close it once again. I've just reached 50 seconds, so I'm going to open that up, take out my drink bottle. But there you have it, a 20 ounce tumbler in the skinny tumbler, 11 in one press.